The patented VersaForce actuator is the core of CenterLine's Clinch press solutions, delivering high-performance joining solutions for any manual operator or robotic press applications. The VersaForce advances traditional motion technology with a system combining the precise control of a servo power unit with the high-force output of a two-stage intensification cylinder. The servo power unit offers power-on-demand control through closed-loop feedback from integrated force and position sensors, giving the servo-driven positive displacement pump the control required to deliver consistent, repeatable press performance. Built on CenterLine's proven air-over-oil architecture, the VersaForce two-stage intensification cylinder separates the motion into distinct stages, enabling rapid approach speeds and precisely controlled high-force output, eliminating the typical compromise between speed and force. The actuator's motion is managed by integrated control valves that direct pump-driven fluid to the appropriate areas of the cylinder. Motion begins with the positive displacement pump rapidly moving fluid directly to the working piston, driving the cylinder to its required working position at high approach speeds. During intensification, flow is directed to the intensification piston, creating a pressure multiplication. This allows the cylinder to deliver precisely controlled high-force output, with continuous force versus position feedback throughout the process. The system delivers exceptional efficiency, power density, and control. Other key features include fast linear motion, simple, robust design with limited moving parts, low maintenance, ideal for demanding production environments, remarkably quiet pump operation, and no compressed air required. Standard systems deliver up to 310 kilonewtons of force, at speeds reaching 320 millimeters per second, with straight or 90-degree cylinder configurations to suit a wide range of applications. The cylinder packaging with remote mounting of the servo power unit enables unique integration opportunity. This supports advanced process capabilities, such as CenterLine's inverted feed process, where fastener feeding time can be buried, saving valuable cycle time. Additional configurations and force requirements can be evaluated upon request. Paired with VersaFast SA, signature analysis, the VersaForce Clinch press provides advanced real-time process monitoring. Every installation is validated by comparing real-time application data to verified signature profiles. The system detects subtle deviations, enabling advanced pass-fail criteria, and provides early insight to help maintain long-term process integrity. The VersaForce Clinch press: precision, performance, and control delivered.